you purchase a starter kit, you are going to get 3 tools. You're going to get the 376, the beauty bar, the number 206, the yang yin roller, the number 128, the yin yang hammer. These tools are made from natural products. Our whole approach in this holistic realm is to make sure that you have eco and sustainable products. So this ranges from natural horn, stainless steel, brass, and a healing wood from mimosa trees. The best part about these tools is they have been designed specifically so that you don't need to do any of the work. They all come with a yang and yin component. And so that allows you to balance out those energies within the body and also on the face. We use the number 376, the beauty bar, in order to release tensions in through the body. We use the number 206 to increase microcirculation, not only in the face, that helps us with cellular turnover, but also sends those signals to rebalance the yang and the yin in the body. Then we use our trusty little number 128. This is the perfect beginner detector tool. It allows you to get deeper into some of these zones and get that therapeutic benefit without damaging the skin or feeling like you're not doing it right. Starting with the beauty pad, it is amazing to do facial massage. Simply apply it to your skin, and with soft, nice, delicate movements, you can massage the skin, releasing it from tension and allowing the body to respond. I like to use it on the cheek area. It's very good in order to help you lift and tone in through the cheek area. Pulling it up all the way into the hairline will make sure that you get into some really nice reflexes that help you release tension in through the shoulders and in through the hips. Especially in through the jaw area here, we get a lot of TMJ, but we also say that it's a reflection of the kidneys in that area, which TMJ typically has some relations to the kidneys. So you can contour the cheekbone by pulling it up and out through the hairline. You can also do so from the chin area, pulling up and out towards the ear to help with tension release. We also love this tool a lot for working in through the neck area, simply by pulling up all the way from the clavicles. And a great way to release tension in through the neck is by using this tool to nicely massage in between the collarbone area and just in the chest. Great for that décolleté. You can also use this tool on the body. One of the best ways to use it is by starting on the C7 area. This not only helps to open up the lymphatic system, but it really starts to open up all the cranial nerves that come into the face, helping to alleviate a lot of stressful responses in through the face that you see, like rosacea, eczema. These can be because of nervous responses. Simply take your beauty pad and massage around the C7 area and repeat this about 10 times. This is a great way to start your facial. This is an amazing way to release tensions throughout the whole entire spine. Not only that, but it feels amazing. I also like to use this to work the internal organs diagram, which you have all around your mouth. So by simply putting it in a vertical position, you can massage over the mouth nice and easy, and it actually gets into some of the reflexes around the lips that give you that nice, plump, and fuller look. Other areas that I like to use it are on the forehead. Again, in this vertical position, depending upon the size of your forehead, I like to place it on the forehead and go in side-to-side motions, but I also like to go in wave-like motions up and over across the whole entire forehead. Nice and gently, you're going to just use it on the skin as a brushing tool. We always recommend that you go towards the heart in order to promote that healthy lymphatic movement. This is one of our users' favorite tools. It has a yang ball on one side and a yin ball on the other side. We like to recommend that people start with their yang routine followed by their yin routine right after the cleansing process. So after you've cleansed your face morning or night and on dry skin, simply roll wherever it feels the most pleasurable to you. The nice thing about this tool is that it's soft and gentle and can be used anywhere on the skin. We like to use it around the eyes. Not only does it help with dark circles and puffy eyes, but the reflex of the lungs is around this area and can help with oxygen and toxin removal as well. So we like to use this tool in around the eyes to help with lift and wrinkles. You just go simply in a cross-hatching motion anywhere on the skin and however it feels pleasurable. It's a simple roller. You just pick it up and roll wherever your little heart desires. This is great for resurfacing. It is great for helping to increase the microcirculation, not only in your face, but it sends those messages through the body. And how it sends those messages is through the nervous system. So we don't want to apply a ton of pressure. Make sure that you're just nice and light, gentle strokes. Just again, let the tool do all of the work. If you're looking to deal with wrinkles, you're going to cross-hatch the wrinkle, making sure that you cover before and after the wrinkle, going lengthwise as well as across the wrinkle for the best results. This tool is also phenomenal in dealing with digestive issues because you can simply roll over top of the mouth, following the natural curve of the intestines. We can increase bowel movements and help with elimination processes. Yang is about movement and action and boosting qi and lifting. And so we want to start with the yang side first because this is how we're going to get to those deeper layers of all the nutrients that we have in our skin. Simply do the yang for 3 to 5 minutes. Once we've brought up all of those nutrients from the skin, and then turn your tool over and repeat the exact same motions with the yin side. We want to disperse it so that we have even coverage throughout the whole entire face. So you simply just use the yin tool again in any direction, but if it feels pleasant for you, you're doing it the right way. This is going to give you that really nice, soft, and supple skin texture. It will feel like your skin has been completely resurfaced. This is also going to give you a hydrating effect, and as well, it's a beautiful tool to use on any red or dry conditions as it will help to disperse and to hydrate them. And finally, our beautiful little hammer. With this hammer, you don't really need to think too much about it. In reflexology, we look for the tenderness that you can find in the skin. That tells us that there's some stagnation behind it. So if you wanted to, you could just tap away looking for little tender areas and give about 50 repetitions on those areas, and you're gonna feel a whole lot better in 5 minutes. I'm gonna share with you some of the more specific zones that we are going to use in order to help calm the nervous system. It's going to help you alleviate stress, and it's always beneficial for helping skin conditions as well. These 4 zones that you see specifically on my face go to help regulate the nervous system. These 2 points here, you'll find them in the middle of the forehead, as well in line with the outside edge of the color. We're gonna start with those 2 points first. Then we're gonna move into these points here, and they relate to the optic nerve, but they also relate to the feet, to the neck and the shoulders. So you're gonna also get some amazing benefits in stress reduction when we move into those points. What you're going to do is simply tap into these zones 50 times. If you want to have a yin effect, so a much stronger calming sensation, you're going to start on the right side and follow it up with the left side. Again, repeating 50 times. Then you'll move down to the first one above the eyebrow and follow it up with the other one. If you're feeling like you need an extra boost and you need some extra energy in through the day, just simply follow it going from the left to the right. These 4 zones on my face are going to help you improve the overall function of your body, but it's just a major muscle relaxant, calming, and helping you to relieve all the stress of the day. Again, if you want to have a more calming effect, you're going to start at the top and move all the way down. But if you're looking for that boost of energy, go ahead and start at the bottom and move your way up. So I'd like a little more calming. I'm going to start in the head zone, and this is in multireflexology related to the head, the sinus, as well as the third eye. And moving down, we come into the pituitary area, but also a major calming point. This helps to alleviate tensions in through the neck area. Moving down into the lower end of the nose, we have areas in relation to the spine called Ming Men's reflex. It also houses the area for the low back and the kidneys. So amazing for reducing stress in the body and helping us to detoxify the blood, as well as help with any aches and pains in through the lower back area. Just below the chin area, okay, make sure that you're not going to be hammering on your teeth. We are perpendicular to the surface here. This is coming into the area of the pelvis. This is a very strong fire element. It helps to reduce tensions throughout the body. 2 additional points that you can add into your reflex routine are the muscle relaxant points. These are considered to help strongly relieve the muscles in through the whole entire body. So don't forget them in your routine. When using the little hammer, remember you have a yang side and a yin side. So it's always important to test which side feels the most pleasant for you, and it's okay to switch back and forth at any time. And I hope you have a wonderful time with your starter kit.